Hello guys, in this video we will talk about the client dashboard, and this video will help you understanding how the client sees uh, your proposals, given proposals. So as we have talked about in our other videos that some factors are really important when client goes to hire you as your freelancer. So these factors, this is the compact listing a client sees when he gets your proposals. So this is one listing that may be more than 100, depend on the complexity and the budget of the client. So this is the basic view when the client sees as a proposal. So for example, this is you as a freelancer, and this is your designation or the main tagline from your profile, and this is the hourly rate. So this makes the main factor in decision making of the client, either he is going to hire you or not. So if your rates are really high, more than the client's expected budget, client will not go to hire you. If your given rates are really very low, the client will get a negative impact about your quality of services, right? So another factor the client sees in making the decision either to hire you or not is the number of dollars earned. So if you are a new one and a newcomer on this platform, client may have some concern regarding hiring you. This makes the credibility. If you have earned a lot of money there, that will make some credibility. So the most important factor here is the job success rate. So most of the clients prefer this job success rate because it's based on a very dynamic and complicated algorithm. Because Upwork itself sees many of your activities, your earning, your reply time to your response time to clients, and your satisfaction with the clients, and the clients feedback score to you, clients text feedback, and these all factors aggregately gather to make a job success rate. So 100% job success rate is a big factor to make your client making the decision to hire you. Another important factor of client's decision making process is the place or the country you live in. I'm not going to ask you that you should make your profile to make from the United States and make a very fake profile. uh, but most of the clients look to hire from some countries which have some good business ethics, some good ethical working uh, ethical working uh, ethical working ethics of work. And two other factors the client sees are, first of all, this cover letters first two lines. So if the client sees that this is the copy paste cover letter, he won't click on this proposal and see the details. So the copy paste cover letters start something like that: hi, my name is, for example, my name is Adam, and I am doing the design stuff and UI design stuff type of work for more than 10 years. And this type of thing that a client sees around 85 to 100 proposals at a time, and every proposal is going to start with the hi, I am this, I am this, I am this, and blah blah blah, and I and me attitude. Client doesn't like it. So your starting first two lines of your cover letter are very important, because in these two lines you have to catch your client's attention by giving the direct reply, by giving the direct response to the job description client has posted on the public job board. So I think these factors are really important. So make sure that all the stuff, or at least the cover letters first two lines, should be the very relevant and the direct response to your client. I hope this video will help you a lot and make your cover letter as given in our another video. Make your cover letter very directly, and make some call to action, put some call to action in your cover letter, and make a video proposal as we have shown in our other video. Thanks a lot of guys. Thank you.